Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel Pearl Yoga 9. My name is Gunija. Today we are going to practice some back pain and a sciatica pain exercise. So please all of you lie down on your back. Now the first practice is the straight leg raising. For this practice, keep your both legs straight, hands beside your body. While inhaling, raise your right leg up to 90 degrees if you can. Here, bend your ankle down and feel the stretching here. Then exhaling, bring the leg down. If you are not comfortable, you can fold the other leg and please do the practice. Now from the left side, inhaling, raise your left leg up, bend the ankle down, then exhaling, down. Please do 5 or 10 rounds. Inhaling, up, exhaling, down. Inhale, up, exhale, 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 down. After 5 or 10 rounds, at the final position, we will maintain this posture for 5 to 10 seconds. Bend the ankle down, give the leg straight, don't bend your knee. If you are not comfortable, you can fold the other leg and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, down. Now from the other side. Raise up, give the leg straight, bend your ankle down. If you want, you can fold the other leg. Otherwise, keep the leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, down. Now relax for a while in asana. Next practice is the Kati chalan asana. For this practice, fold the legs at the knees. Keep your feet together and knees together. Hand should be at the level of your shoulder. If you are not comfortable here, interlock the fingers and keep your palms on the chest. Otherwise, if here also you are not comfortable, keep your palms under the head and keep your hands like this. So choose any one of the position of this hand. Now first inhale. While exhaling, turn your knees towards the right and head should be towards the left. Maintain here. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center, then exhale. Turn your head and legs opposite side. Maintain with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center, exhale, turn. Maintain here, breathing normal. If you are not comfortable to turn the head right or left, keep your head straight. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center, last round. Exhaling, turn. 1, 2, breathe normally. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then come to the center. You can do 3 to 5 rounds this practice if you want. Then after this practice, relax for a while. Now the next practice is the Pawanmuktasana. For this practice, again, keep the legs together, hands beside your body. Now fold the right leg at the knee, interlock your fingers and hold your leg like this, just below the knee. If you are unable to hold like this, you can hold your thigh and do the practice. Now, first inhale, while exhaling, press your thigh against the abdomen and feel the stretching here. Then inhaling, release the pressure. Exhaling, press, inhale, release. 5 to 10 rounds repetition with breathing. Inhale, then exhaling, press, inhale, release, exhaling, press, inhale, release. If you are not comfortable, you can fold the other leg. Exhaling, press, inhale, release, exhaling, press, inhale, release. Now at the last round, maintain for 5 to 10 seconds with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now same practice from the other side. For the other leg, hold just below your knee or thigh. If you want, you can fold the other leg. Otherwise, keep the leg straight. Now inhale, while exhaling, press your thigh against the abdomen. Inhale, release. Exhaling, press. Inhale, release. Exhaling, press. Inhale, release. Exhaling, press. Inhale, release. After 5 to 10 rounds repetition, maintain at the last round with normal breathing. Press and maintain. If you want, you can fold the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now relax for a while. Next practice is the Setu asana. For this practice, again fold the legs at the knees. Here, keep your feet apart, knees apart. Hands beside your body. Now with breathing, while inhaling, lift your buttock and spine up as much as you can. While exhaling, bring it down. Continue. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhale up, exhale down. After 5 to 10 rounds repetition, maintain at the last round. Now lift and maintain. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling down. The Setu asana is very good for the thyroid also. So for the thyroid people, you can practice the Setu asana. Relax for a while in savasana. Now the next practice is the alternate foot knee lumbar stretch. Again, keep the legs together. Stretch your hands at the level of your shoulder. Now keep your one foot on the opposite of the knee. Opposite knee of the other leg. Now hold the knee with your opposite hand. Inhale, While exhaling, turn your head and neck opposite side as much as you can. If you can, touch your knee on the floor and feel the stretching here. And turn your head to the opposite side. But in this position, if you are not comfortable, keep your head straight. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, release. Now from the other side, same practice. Keep the foot on the knee of the other leg. Hold the knee with the opposite hand. Inhale and exhaling. Turn. If you can, touch your knee on the floor and feel the stretching here. Turn your head to the opposite side and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, center. Now release the leg. Now do from the other side. Same practice. Hold the knee with your opposite hand. Inhale, then exhale. Turn your head and leg opposite side. If you are having neck pain, keep your head straight. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center, then exhale, release. Last round. Keep your foot on the knee of the other leg. Hold the knee with the opposite hand. Inhale. Then exhaling, turn head and leg opposite side. Try to touch your knee on the floor if you can, but don't do forcefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, center, exhale, release. You can do this practice up to 5 rounds, but don't cross the limit. Do the practice according to your capacity. Now the next practice is the cross leg lumbar stretch. Again, fold the legs at the knees, hands at the level of the shoulder. Cross your leg one over the other. First inhale, while exhaling, turn your head and leg opposite side. Maintain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Then exhale, turn to other side. And maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Then exhaling. Turn your head and leg opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Then exhale, turn to other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Now, change your leg position and do same practice. But if you are not comfortable while turning both the sides, you can turn only one side like this. If this leg is up, so you can turn this side and maintain 5 to 10 seconds. Then don't turn this side. Like that, change the leg. If this leg is up, so you can turn this side, maintain 5 to 10 seconds, come to center, and don't turn this side if you feel pain. Otherwise, you can turn both sides. Now, next practice is again stretching, one stretching practice. Keep the leg like this. Then hold your leg like this. Then inhale, while exhaling, just pull your leg towards you like this and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. I will show you from the other side. Hold the leg like this. Inhale, then exhale. Press your leg towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now from the other side, hold your leg. Inhale and exhale. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now we will do from the other side. You can do up to 3 to 5 rounds if you can. Hold, then pull towards you. If you want more stretching, give the other leg straight. If it is not comfortable, you can fold like this. Now maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Relax for a while. In relaxation posture also, if you are not comfortable in savasana, you can fold both the legs and relax like this. Now, gently turn on one side like this. Take the support of your both hands and slowly come up. All of you, please do this practice regularly, twice a day, possible if possible. It will be more beneficial for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Namaskar.